Good afternoon, gentlemen. The topic for my today's lecturate is old age homes. So let us first begin by a quick introduction. Good afternoon, gentlemen. The topic for my today's lecturate is old age homes. So let us first begin by a quick introduction as to what are old age homes and why have they gained so much popularity in this modern world. Old age homes are basically shelters to the old age people who have been abandoned by their family or have voluntarily admitted to it due to combat the loneliness in their old age. Old age homes have gained so much popularity in this world. Why? Because we know that earlier people used to live in joint family, but with modernization, the men have become so much indulged in their and so much busy in their daily life that they have no time for their family and to take care of the old age parents at their home. So this forced them to abandon their family, and many government organizations as well as many NGOs take care of those people and admit them into these old age homes where they provide proper care to them. Man is a social animal, and we know that man cannot live in isolation. So in old age homes, people take care of that. And let's now discuss how is the life of an individual in old age homes and how they spend their life there. So gentlemen, in old age homes, many older people dwell together and live their life together. In old age homes, there are many caretakers or in charge who take proper care of these old age people by providing them proper medical facilities as well as helping them in their daily works like cleaning, washing and bathing their utensils, clothes, etc. They also conduct many recreational activities for these old age people because if these old age people are just admitted there and are not given any physical task or any task that engage their mind and body, then they will become bored, and boredom is very harmful for a man. So they also conduct many recreational activities, and a man also learns many social skills because they love the old age people, interact with many other people, and they develop many friendships and bonds there too. Gentlemen, now let's discuss what are some of the steps taken by the government to promote the old age homes and how to take care of them. So our government has enacted many steps to provide relief to the old age people who have been left or abandoned by their family, like creation of many funds and also creation of many governmental organizations which have the task of taking care of these activities, also providing funds and other things to the NGOs who have been working to take care of them. Also, we see that the old people are also given many pensions so as to provide them relief in their old age and to take care of the cost of medicines and food, etc. Gentlemen, I would like to conclude my lecturate by the fact that we as individuals should take proper care of our parents and the old age people because they have taken care, and we should not be so selfish because we see that our parents have taken so much care of us in our childhood and they demand this from us too, because in this age they can take many serious diseases, and we need to provide them proper and tender care so that they live their last stages of life happily and with their family. So thank you, gentlemen, for listening to my lecturate.